How to cancel EveryPlate order. If you want to cancel your EveryPlate order or to cancel your subscription, it's rather quite simple. Open the EveryPlate application and make sure that you log into your account. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then once you're here under profile, go to settings. Then go to Deactivate Your Plan. On the next screen, select Cancel Anyway and provide a reason. Then click on Deactivate Now. Make sure to cancel at least 5 days before your next delivery by 11:59 p.m. CT to avoid receiving another box. If not cancelled in time, you will receive and be charged for one last delivery. And you can also reactivate anytime, by the way. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.